services from Dentalscape. Can we ask from Dentalscape, Dr. Joshua Limarnes to award? Later na po. And of course, he will also get a 50,000 worth of services from Dermarool to be awarded by Dr. Charlie Mendez, the owner of Dermarool. Congratulations and cash prizes from the org. Congratulations. Alright.
Congratulations. Got 14.
Alright, our next special award is Miss Philippines Earth to represent the Bulacan next year, to be awarded by Miss Ronnie Meneses, Miss Philippines FAR 2029. She's going to announce the winner.
So our Miss Philippines Earth Bulacan is candidate number 5.
And she's willing to share the prizes with me.
Our fourth runner-up for CAT 2026 is contestant number 12, San Pedro Justin from Pulilan. third runner-up,
And this is for the
Got
God.
ng Bulacan 2026 to be ushered by Marlo Martin and Hazel Gwen Santos.
And
Our God Our God ng Bulacan 2026 is third runner-up contestant number 13, Loreto Emmanuel from San Jose del Monte, Bulacan.
congratulations. I'm sure the people of San Jose are very, very proud of you. Sir Harley.
Our Paraluman third runner-up 2026 is contestant number 4, Benedictus Jenny Cudia from Malolos.
Congratulations. Sir Harley, okay, so we proceed to second runner-up, God edition.
Congratulations once again, our third runner-ups.
Okay, so we're ready for the second
Okay,
runner-up.
we're ready for the second runner-up. We're going to announce the GAT 2026 second runner-up, contestant number 16, Abora Kurt Santino from Baliwag.
Wasn't it also the one who won Photogen?
If you remember it, right?
Yes. So you move to Paraluman.
Our second runner-up will receive 25,000 worth of services and professional fees from their work. And all. And 6,000 worth of gym membership fees from Snap Fitness.
Mas lalong gaganda ang katawan nyo.
Okay, our second runner-up for Paraluman 2026. Talisay Angela, contestant number 6 from San Miguel.
Congratulations. We were having a nice chat earlier. And,
Of course, they will receive prizes from Derma World and Dental Scheme.
we proceed to first runner-up, God.
Our first runner-up to be ushered by Vincent Rosalia and Marie Kyle Andrada. Our God ng Bulacan 2026 is contestant number 14, Marilag Grantanyer from Marilao. Our Palaluman, our first runner-up for Palaluman 2026 is contestant number 15, Estela Casarga from Quezon.
Ito must be very, very proud.
They will receive their mobile services and Snap Fitness free membership plus cash prizes.
And this is it. Ito na. Are you people nervous? Good luck to all of you. Prayers will still help at this point. But again,
Okay, our GAT. Our GAT ng Bulacan 2026 is contestant number 3, Reyes Robert Jericho from Cavite. To be awarded by Dental State, Mr. Ben Libarnes, and Dr. Libarnes, and also Dr. Robert, Charlie Mendez. Our crown by Manny Halasan.
this is the most awaited portion.
Concepcion and Michael Sidor. Ushered by Tudor Concepcion, Michael Segovia, and Cassandra Silvestre with Matt Gregorio. Our Palaluman 2026 to be crowned by Micaela Segovia, our Miss at ating Palaluman 2024. Ang reigning Palaluman natin. Are you ready? Our Palaluman 2026 from Bulacan. From Bukawi, contestant number 11, De La Cruz, and Audrey.
salamat sa mga sumusuporta sa akin. Lalo na po ang aking ate na nag-all out po talaga ngayon at nagsama po na po sino-sino. Kuya Ryan, Kuya Pat, at sa lahat po na nanonood. Salamat po sa lahat na sumusuporta sa Plaridel.